10-minute guided imagery script. Please make yourself comfortable, close your eyes, and let yourself relax. Take a few slow, deep breaths and notice that as you exhale, you can feel yourself becoming more relaxed. You can continue to relax as I speak to you, and each time you exhale, you can feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. More and more relaxed. Soon you will experience relaxation, and you are probably wondering what that experience will be like. I want to assure you that no matter how deeply relaxed you become, you will remain in complete control. You will stay in control even when very deeply involved in the experience of relaxation. As I speak, you can feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. But no matter how relaxed you become, you will hear my voice and you will be able to respond to my suggestions. If you become at all uncomfortable, you can readjust your body and make yourself comfortable again. And that won't get in the way of your experience of relaxation. Just begin to feel a spreading sense of calm and peace, letting go of all your cares and concerns. Let them drift away like clouds in the wind, dissipating more and more at peace. More calm, more comfortable and secure. Nothing to bother, nothing